your hands on the side.
Okay.
Drop all the weight in my hand and turn your head on the left as far as you could carry it. Just relax, okay? Relax as best as you can. When you feel relaxed, say
Yeah.
Right, relax, relax. When you feel relaxed, tell me
Okay.
Feel it? Drop all the weight in my hand. All right. You get it.
Okay.
But you are getting a pain and it causing a great effect and damage to your body that you're not realizing.
Sure.
See?
Turn your head. Yes. Relax. Just relax. Drop the shoulder. Put the hands on the side. Drop the shoulder. Relax. 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 Breathe. Relax. Good. Don't tense. Just relax. Relax.
Oh. Oh my god.
That's how tense.
That's how you felt?
Yeah.
He one wasn't so serious. Relax. Drop the shoulder. Drop the shoulder. Relax. Relax. Breathe. Relax. 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 Drop all the weight in my hand.
Huh?
Drop all the weight. Relax.
Yeah. It feels good.
Feels good, eh? That is to tell how tense she is.
Yeah, but
Oh.
here, like that triangle, like from here, like a triangle going down here. Yeah, that's why it's tense. I always ask him to.
She likes to crack things. She
Yeah,
does
I
it
crack-
herself sometimes. Then.
I crack.
See, when you do this neck crack, when you do a full body crack, man, it's like you take 40 pounds off of your body.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Full body crack?
Yep.
You mean one motion?
No.
Oh. When
Yeah.
you crack everything. You mean.
Yeah. And the full body
I
crack,
crack your finger.
you do the head, the neck,
Uh-huh.
the shoulders, then you roll over on your stomach,
Ah.
and you do the foot
Right.
from the back,
Right.
and then you do a side, left side, and a right side.
Right.
That sets you want to align your body.
Cool. Cool. Very good.
How do you feel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, you could get them now.